Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should also work out for the S26 and the S26 Plus as well. Now a hard reset can be very useful, especially if your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is freezing, or if you have forgotten the password, pin or pattern, or situations where you just want to sell out your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In any of this case, your first step should be to get a data cable like this one over here. Now this is actually a USB-C to a USB data cable, and then you also want to go ahead and get your laptop or your PC. Now this is actually my laptop, and what you want to do is to connect the USB part of your cable to any of the USB ports on your laptop or PC. Make sure that your laptop or PC is actually turned on. So I'll just go ahead and connect mine like so, and then you want to go ahead and connect the other parts of your data cable to your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra like so. Now automatically your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra should start to charge, and now we can hard reset it by pressing on some key combinations over here. So what you want to do is to long press on the power button and the volume down button until the device turns off. And once it turns off, you want to move your hand from the volume down button to the volume up button. Continue to press until you see the Samsung logo, then you can release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button. We are going to do that together now. So what you want to do is to first of all make sure that the screen is actually on. Long press on the power button and the volume down button together. Just press and hold until the device turns off. Then you can move your hand from the volume down button to the volume up button. So to the volume up button now. Continue to press until you see the Samsung logo, then you can release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button. So the Samsung logo, so you now release the power button while still pressing on the volume up button. Now we are on the hard reset menu, and at this point you want to use the volume down button to move over to where we have the wipe data / factory reset option. Select that with the power button, and now you want to scroll down to factory data reset with the volume down button again. Select it with the power button, and once you see that wipe data is complete at the bottom, you want to come over here and then select on the reboot system now with the power button. Tap on the power button, give it a couple of seconds, and your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will reboot. You will now be taken back to the initial setup page of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and at this point you can proceed to set up your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra one more time. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. And that is basically how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.